Hello YouTube, welcome to channel Seal Car 212. Acura introduced the TLX in 2015 to replace its TSX and TL sedans, aiming to combine the appeal of both of those cars with a single model. Since then, we've found the TLX exhibits an agreeable demeanor. It's not particularly exciting, but it doesn't have any huge drawbacks either. This year's 2018 TLX is a little more dynamic. Though it's the same sedan under the skin, it continues to be based on the Honda Accord. Acura has freshened the TLX's styling to bring the sedan up to date with the company's current design themes. Changes elsewhere are relatively modest. Beyond the additional feature content, the TLX's updated two-screen infotainment system has quicker responses and more logical operation, and the retuned transmissions are said to improve shift refinement. There's also a new A-Spec trim level that gets a sport-tuned suspension and its own special styling elements. Overall, though, the TLX is much like it has been. It's a smart choice if you want a lot of value from your luxury sedan, but probably not the best if performance is a priority. What's new? The most obvious change to the 2018 Acura TLX is the sedan's facelifted front end. More advanced driver safety aids are now standard across the board, the infotainment interface has been revised for quicker responses, and both transmissions have been retuned. There's also a new sporty A-Spec trim level this year. We recommend. Though you might be tempted by the A-Spec for 2018, this entry-level premium sedan is most compelling in its lower-priced trim levels. As such, we like the TLX 2.4 liters with technology package. It enhances the TLX's value and feels lighter and more maneuverable than the more powerful V6 version when driving around turns. The four-cylinder TLX also has a more cooperative transmission than the V6 model. Stepping up to the technology package gets you worthwhile amenities and convenience features. Trim levels and features. Picking a 2018 Acura TLX is straightforward. Acura offers the TLX with one of two engines, a four-cylinder or a V6, and a couple of option packages. Four-cylinder models are front-wheel drive only and are available as either TLX 2.4 liters or TLX 2.4 liters with technology package. The base V6 model is the TLX 3.5 liters. You can also get the TLX 3.5 liters with technology package, TLX 3.5 liters A-Spec and TLX 3.5 liters with advanced package. All-wheel drive is available for all TLXs with the V6. Driving. Overall performance is modest from the small-engine TLX. Handling is enhanced by four-wheel steering, but the front-drive TLX lacks the composure and speed of its V6-powered, SH-AWD big brother. Comfort. The TLX has an appealing balance of ride and handling despite the lack of adjustable suspension and dampers, which are available on many rivals. It's a comfortable sedan for both commuting and long road trips. Interior. Though the TLX's interior isn't groundbreaking, it is well built from quality materials. Infotainment controls aren't as practical or easy as some competitors, but they offer similar functionality. Space and visibility are TLX strengths. Utility. Small item storage, as in most Acura products, is excellent. There are many cubbies of various sizes in the dash, console and door panels. Trunk size exceeds that of most competitors. It also has a 60-40 split folding rear seat that folds nearly flat.